Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to uh, explain and get hand on the console to try the command of uh, access control list in the Linux machine, in particular the Red Hat. In my case, I use uh, Red Hat version 9. We can see here uh, with code name flow. Yeah, I am active in the directory /home/tmp, and there is no any file here, so we will try to generate some file and folder, and yeah, I'll try to create it with this function. As you can see, we already make this folder, and I will try to generate also some files here with this command. You can see here now, and I check there are some file inside the folder. You can see all the file here. There are nine files. Yeah, we will try to use this command for rent an a user or groups a particular permission, which is if we use uh, another command like for example, we can only give the permission to the particular user and its group. But if we wanted to give particular permission to any groups, we cannot use the th mod command. But we can use this command. It is set file access control list for set the permission, and also to get the permission you can use this command. You see it here. I will try to print out the list of permission available on the folder ones. Get access control. See here that all the files inside the folder one is, are belong to root user, and there are no any other group or users that associated with custom permission here. We can see here that by default there are only read permission that active here for groups and for, you know, as you can see the group is root. So this is uh, applied for root group. For the other also we can only read that file. So basically if I uh, change my active user, we can see here that I have some user active here. It is SW trial 01 and SW trial 02. Or if I can show you the most uh, detailed permission and UID from that user, we can see here that uh, we have some user active here. That is root SVW trial 01 and SVW trial 02 that active on that machine. So yeah, and if we check the group, here we get the username, user, to get user from group. Not get that. The wrong command. And yeah, you can see here that I also have some groups here available, which is root, wheel, SW trial 01, VM user, W user, V box user as SW trial 01. If I check the each of this user, I have some of uh, group associated with this user. For user SW trial 01, it is surely it's group and wheel and VM user. And for the SW trial 02, there are also uh, a group with its username and also uh, group with name VW VB user. For the SW trial 01, there is also the wheel group that allow the user to gain access as a root user, like what I am actually doing right now. So yeah, let's get jump right into the case that we will try to uh, set the access control list for some files or any particular file. Like for example, I will set the information for write and execute for file 01 on folder 1. So I will use this command to activate it, that permission. It is like I will try type here. It is set access control list and M for modify, and U for user. We can type the username, like for example here is uh, SW trial 01. The permission is write and execute, and file name is uh, folder 1 and file 01. Okay, and you. Oh, sorry, this is wrong. Correct this a typo that make me unable to apply the particular uh, permission. If we check the status of this file, we can see here that user SW trial 01 already associated its with the permission for read, write, and execute the file, while the other file is not associated with any of the permission. And yeah, I can also, like, if I change the active user from root to the user that we associated its permission recently, you can see that now in the permission list here, the file access control list, we can see that there is a new marked applied here with plus that inform us that there are any permission additional applied on that file already. So then if I try to modify the file, for example file 02, if I write, sorry, something here and I try to associate it into the file 02, we will say that I have no permission to that to do such action. But if I applied it on the file 01, I am able to get the uh, the string that already exported into the file. So yeah, I can modify its file like uh, this is me. Yeah, if I check again, its content already replaced. And yeah, but if I try to delete the file, I have no permission to do that. So that is some limitation and some plus and minus of using this command. We have the permission to write and execute this file, but no permission to delete the file. So it's specifically just for modify and execute the file. And yeah, if I go back to the root, and yeah, as we see that uh, we have uh, this user and this user associated with another uh, groups. For example, if I try to associate a group into one of the file, for example, uh, not one, I think I can try associate it with all of those files and in a folder 2. I will use this command: set file access control list, modify g, and then the group name is freebox user, and permission is read and write. um, we can use this folder, we can use this asterisk mark to apply all the file that's located in folder 2. If we check the permission of that each file, we can see here that it's all already applied for feedback user, the group that associated with user SW trial 02. For example, if I change my active user to user SW trial 02, and then I jump into the folder 2, we can see here that all the files in the folder name is folder 2 already modified with file access control list, marked with the plus applied here. So if we get each file here. We can try to modify, for example, file 2 header, and then we can check the content already updated. Yeah, that is how we can apply the file access control list for the permission for particular groups, or for particular group. And yeah, and then if I wanted to uh, apply all the files that recursively that I have on one specific folder. Like for example, if I check this folder 3, you can see here that there are 3 files, but I will make another folder, name folder 4, and I will copy all the file into the folder 4. Folder 4, yeah. So yeah, if I apply one specific, if I wanted to recursively uh, apply the permission for the 3 and also for the 4, I can use this command, set file access control list, and then and use for user, for example 002 001, and then the permission is this, and then I will type the folder name, and if I check folder 3, there are, as you can see, folder 3 have folder 3 and also folder 4 have its own file access control is applied recursively just by defining it with a folder name. And yeah, this is something that we need to use. For example, in the case if we have many files that active on one specific or some specific folders, you can use this mark R for recursive and M for modify, and then we apply that on the folder name. We can also use the command like for example, if I wanted to apply written right for our specific group, I change the parameter with you and then group name. For example, I use this. Oh, sorry, not you, but G for group. So yeah, if I check the uh, folder name, each file here, we can see that the specific permission already applied for uh, this user is WHIL01 and also for the group with under the name of Vbox user. And if I wanted to remove all the uh, permission that being set by the command, I can use this command set file access control list B and then folder 3 file, for example file 01, and if we check the result, it get back to its original uh, permission. If I want to apply for all the directory that the file on that directory, I can use this command. It, uh, it is so all the file applied, but if I check folder 4 file 01, it still have the custom permission for user and group that we already set before. And to do that, we can use we can also use this command. So finally, all the files in the folder recursively set back to the default permission with the error label applied on the comment. So I think yeah, that's all that I can uh, share to you for now. We will meet soon on another topic related to Linux and Red Hat distribution command and function that I think that interesting to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.